How to use Claude AI for Etsy listings quick tutorial. Are you spending hours writing Etsy product titles, descriptions, and tags that still do not rank well in search? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to use Claude AI to create fully optimized Etsy listings in minutes, so you can list faster, rank higher, and spend more time actually making your products. Claude is one of the most capable AI writing tools available in 2026. And when you give it the right information about your product, it can generate SEO-optimized titles, all 13 tags, compelling descriptions, and even suggested categories in under 2 minutes. Let us get into exactly how to do it. Step 1. Go to Claude.ai and sign into your account. You can use the free plan to get started, but if you create a high volume of listings regularly, Claude Pro gives you significantly more usage and faster responses, which makes a real difference in your workflow. Step 2. Start a new conversation and give Claude detailed context about your product before asking it to write anything. The more specific you are, the better your listing will be. Include what the product is, what it is made from, its dimensions or size options, who it is for, what makes it unique, and any keywords you already know your buyers search for. For example, you might type something like, "I sell handmade soy wax candles in small batch glass jars. My best seller is a lavender and vanilla scented candle in a 12-ounce jar with a wooden wick. My buyers are women aged 25 to 45 who search for terms like calming candle, relaxing gift, or lavender home decor. Please write me an Etsy listing title, 13 tags, and a product description optimized for Etsy SEO." Step 3. Review the output Claude gives you. Claude will generate a keyword-rich title that starts with your primary search term, 13 tags using a mix of broad and specific phrases that match how real buyers search, and a full product description that leads with benefits, includes natural keyword placement, and ends with a clear call to action. Step 4. Refine the output with follow-up prompts. If the title feels too generic or the description does not match your brand voice, simply ask Claude to adjust it. You can say things like make the description sound warmer and more personal, or add more urgency to the closing sentence, or replace the third tag with something more specific to gift buyers. Claude remembers your full conversation context, so you can refine the listing in real time without starting over. Step 5. Copy your finalized title, tags, and description directly into your Etsy listing draft. Because Claude generates clean plain text, you can paste everything straight into Etsy's listing fields with no formatting cleanup required. Step 6. Use Claude to batch create listings efficiently. Once you have a listing you are happy with, you can use it as a template for future products. Simply tell Claude, use the same format and style as the listing we just created, but this time the product is, and then describe your next item. This lets you create multiple fully optimized listings in a single session without rewriting your instructions from scratch every time. Now here is your pro tip. The single biggest mistake Etsy sellers make when using AI for listings is giving Claude too little information about the product, and then accepting the first output without refining it. Claude performs best when you treat it like a conversation, not a one-click solution. Give it rich product details up front, push back on anything that does not fit your brand, and use follow-up prompts to tighten the copy. Sellers who iterate 2 or 3 times on each listing consistently get stronger SEO results than those who copy and paste the first draft straight into Etsy. So to recap, open Claude.ai, start a new chat. Describe your product in detail, including materials, size, target buyer, and known keywords. Ask Claude to write your title, 13 tags, and description. Refine the output with follow-up prompts until it matches your brand voice. Paste the final version into your Etsy listing, and repeat the process for each new product using your first listing as a template. If this video helped you speed up your Etsy workflow, hit the like button and subscribe for more seller tools and AI guides. And drop a comment below telling me what you sell on Etsy. I would love to check out your shop. See you in the next one.